How and when to sign up for Medicare? Okay, most people can sign up at medicare.gov or socialsecurity.gov. They're both equal. Just pick one. You can also give them a call at 1-800-633-4227. But sometimes they won't allow you to sign up. So if there is a problem, you can call us and we can help walk you through that. But it's pretty easy to sign up. So when should you sign up? You want to sign up about 3 months before you want Medicare. So if you want Medicare the first day of the month that you're turning 65 because you're going to be retired, then you want to sign up 3 months in advance. I have people that wait and they're only 1 month out or they're 1 week out. We can still help you, but it really makes a mess of it. I prefer that you do it 3 months in advance. That's the earliest that they will allow us to do it. So that gives you time to also give us a call, start working with us, and we can start showing you all your options to supplement your Medicare, whether you're going to go into a Medicare supplement route or you'll go into the Medicare Advantage route. And we will also go over your drug plan and how it works. This gives you some time to learn this and make some decisions so that you're not under pressure. Because I get people that will call me the day before they need it, and we have to rush decision, and I don't like that for you. I don't think that's a good way to go about your Medicare. So put it on your calendar 3 months in advance. I know you have a calendar, so write it down, give us a call, put our phone number down in your contacts, and 3 months in advance, we can help you. Now, if you're already taking Social Security, you started Social Security at 60 because your spouse passed away, or you started at 62, as early as you can draw your Social Security benefits, but you don't need your Medicare until 67, well, that's okay. When you are on Social Security early, meaning before 65, Social Security already has you in their system. They're going to send you your Medicare card automatically. They're going to assume that you want your Part B at 65, which a lot of people do. But if you don't, because you're still on your husband's health plan at work, and he's going to work for a couple more years, and you don't need Medicare Part B, when they mail that to you, flip it over, and it says, if you don't want your Medicare Part B to start right now, here's how you do it. So you're going to return this card, call Social Security, and tell them not to do it. So if you're already taking Social Security, you don't have to sign up 3 months in advance. They're automatically going to sign you up. But if you don't want it, you don't have to keep it. If you keep that card because you're like, well, government sent it to me, if you keep it, they're going to start charging you for your Medicare Part B. So if you're on your husband's group plan at work still, and you're like, his plan is really good, I want to stay there until he retires in 3, 4, 5 years, whatever, who knows when, there's not going to be a penalty. You can do that. Don't take your Part B right now. Don't take it if you're still working. If you're going to be on a plan at work and your company has at least 20 people on it, but if it's a small company with 5 or 6 people under 20, yes, you need your Part B. If you're self-employed, yes, you need your Part B at 65. What happens if you don't do it? Well, there's that penalty that you hear about. But if you're on a health plan with a company that has 20 or more people, these large companies, you do not need to take your Medicare Part B yet until you want to retire. When you do want to retire, you're like, I don't know, I'm going to work as long as I like it. I'm still having fun. Or as long as my health holds out, or I want to pay off my mortgage. Whatever you want to do, that's fine. There's no penalty. Don't feel pressured. Whenever you want to retire, ideally you're going to know at least 3 months in advance. So give us a call 3 months in advance and we'll walk you through how you will sign up for your Medicare Part B. And then we'll also know and walk you through how you will get your supplement for your insurance. And get you signed up for your drug card. So that is everything. Everything is seamless, and you'll start the first day that you retire. So if you're going to work past 65, that's fine. Don't worry about it. If, like I said, as long as you're not self-employed or you work for a small company, whenever you want to retire, give us a call about 3 months in advance. We'll help walk you through the process. Let Frank or myself help you with these really complex decisions for retirement with Medicare and Social Security. So if you go into the description below, down below my video, there is a description. I have a great cheat sheet that lists all the numbers for Medicare and Social Security that you want to know about. So go down in the description, find that, and you can download it, print it out if you want, and share it with your friends and family. I look forward to working with you soon.